Thanks to modern technology, huge ships can remain stable in the sea, even in extreme adverse weather conditions. Not only that, even if they capsize due to some modern help designed by engineers, they can straighten themselves and return to their original position. These designs work in such a way that you can believe your eyes. Now you will see a ship almost completely capsized, and there is no chance of being right. But next moment, you will see the ship suddenly right again. Like magic, how to save a ship from sinking like that today. We will know them, so let's start. It is often seen that huge ships like container ships, weighing thousands of tons, remain stable in the sea under the impact of big waves. When a ship starts to travel to sea, it encounters sea waves and strong wind speed, and every ship survives to save itself from these dangers. Stays have special systems that help keep the ship balanced while floating on the ocean floor, which is why the Wave King. Even if the ship is swayed by the wind, it can stand up straight again. There are various devices to maintain this balance, one of which is the Bilqus. Extending up to increases the ship's speed, as well as increasing the ship's ability to remain stationary. Another type of ship balancing device is called anti-wrinkle. It is placed along our width and used in two ways: active and passive tank system. In active system, water flows through a pump at 2:00 o'clock, so the balance of the ship is maintained by the weight of the water in it against the ship. The next method is a festival ire device, which is a fan-shaped device that can bring back the heritage food store, and it is employed through the ship's gyro system. Propellers are not very useful when underway, although container ships mainly have an entailing system, the job of which is to keep the ship straight or steady along the ground during loading and unloading at the port, so there is a high chance of the ship sinking. But interestingly, entailing in open seas. The device system is not used for anchoring the ship. It is only used during loading and unloading from the berth. The mooring system detects the berth angle of the ship and automatically transfers the water from the right side to the left side of the tank with the help of pump. The ship's balance is basically tilted to the side. The weight of the water is increased in the opposite direction, and the ship is straightened again. Rescue ships are also used in search and rescue operations, in addition to helping victims of marine accidents. During the attempt, extreme weather and sea waves could hinder their operation and the ship could sink. And to solve this problem, engineers invented a new technology called self-righting board. Back to normal, these self-righting boards can move very fast and also in any bad weather without any problem to the sailors. Many companies market self-righting port cows, one of them being the Royal National Life Insurance in the UK. These self-righting boards are made with several important technologies. They must be as light as possible, as well as being full of air. Their accommodation is completely waterproof, so that in a sea storm, there is no way water plays inside the pole. Self-righting reports have a pendulum that keeps water inside the pole, protecting the board if it falls into bad weather at sea. The board flips completely. Because of this pendulum system, all the port openings are automatically closed, due to which no water can get inside the boat. Also, there is another amazing technology to make this port if for some reason it flips this technology itself. It can detect, and by detecting it shuts down, everything including the polling radar system and the engine for the safety of the Fallen Fury until it returns to the right place again. To return to the right place automatically, all the systems are turned on again. After that, it can reach the sailor's bow.